So we started off well with a 4-piece kit of everything that we think that we need.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Are we ready for this? What started off as a purchase with an aim to make a few adjustments has quickly turned into a decision of completely ripping out the old interior and starting from scratch.
Lucky for us, we are American Express card members, which has made this whole process financially less stressful and certainly made us more money smart. For instance, we were able to pay off our bigger item expenses such as our tools, our fridge, and even our expensive electrical setup across a time period that suited us, just by setting up a plan for a fixed monthly fee with 0% interest. It's these little wins that we have to celebrate.
In this episode of our bus build series, we will be ripping out the old interior and making the first of many purchases in this conversion. We will have to get to grips with using power tools, design our new layout, and the trickiest of all, learn how we are going to renovate and build a bus without even having a home to do it in. Join us on this journey of episodes as we turn this bus into our dream home on wheels.
Woohoo! Well done!
Okay guys, so we are inside Naya and it's been a bit of an overwhelming task for us in terms of all of the research that we have to do, the lack of knowledge of pretty much what Alex said, everything. Like, we've never done a van build before.
So we know that we pretty much want to work from the top down. So the first couple of things that we definitely want to tackle are the insulation out that's currently in there and switch all that over and get some wood paneling up. And the third thing is the partition to the toilet. So we know we definitely want to get rid of that. So today, I think we're going to start there.
Hopefully, she comes out pretty easily. We kind of really wanted to get stuck in just a little bit, just to kind of gauge how long a certain task will take.
Such a small task.
Yeah, it took so long. So without further ado, let's get going.
First step done.
I think I need a beer. I feel like I've really done like a van build. Tell you what, whoever put this in did a good job.
That was a good thing. One out.
Right, one more to go.
Yay! Now what? How's that going to come down?
Ta-da!
I think we need a better standing knife.
It's not good at all, is it? Go on, Mrs. Locke. Go on, Mrs. Locke.
Oh, doing so well.
Whee!
Hey! Oh.
One chair out, another one to go.
Hello. Yeah.
With my bare hands.
God. How'd you get?
Go on, muscles.
Oh, got it. Oh.
Come on, you can do it. Yay! Yay!
It's us!
Where are we going?
To Bunnings.
Bunnings.
I feel like this isn't going to be our only trip to Bunnings.
No, this is going to be one of many.
Oh, who's that?
Good morning, Naya.
Thank you.
There's a lot of stuff everywhere.
Yeah.
It is hot and it is bright, and I forgot my sunnies. However, we are at Bunnings. Yes.
So we started off well with a 4-piece kit of everything that we think that we need.
I don't know what I'm doing. Look, truth be told, we are just overwhelmed with the choice and varieties available of everything.
This is us YouTubing in the middle of Bunnings because we have no idea what screws to buy.
Like, you've got drills, impact drills, you've got drill bits, you've got screws, you've got hole saws, you've got blades. There's just so much variety available. It's hard to know what we need, but yeah, it's all part of the education, as they say.
And if James is confused and overwhelmed, I think I'm like triple that.
Just seeing if there's anything else that we need to pick up whilst we're here. I think we're nearly there.
We think.
We think.
You can always come back.
We finally have power tools. So we picked up this 4-piece set of Ryobi power tools from Bunnings, and it was actually really good value for money because we paid, I think it was $3.99, and you get a compact jaw driver, a compact impact driver, 150mm circular saw, and 150mm angle grinder. So our main tools that we're going to be using on a daily basis are going to be our jaw driver and our impact driver. We did also buy a jigsaw because this is going to be really handy when we're going to be cutting out pieces in timber or in wood where we're going to have to cut out jigsaw shapes. Now I don't have to use a screwdriver for every bloody screw in this bloody van. Oh, it comes in a nice bag.
Oh, it's a bit fancy.
It comes with 2 batteries, 2.5 amp hour batteries. So if you don't know what that is, I'm not going to explain it because I don't know what it is either. I think it's essentially about the power of the batteries, because you can get 2.5 amp hours, you can get 5, you can get 6, you can get 9, and it just depends on how long this can run for. So these are the ones that come standard.
I've got a feeling they're not going to be charged. And dead. Oh, it has power!
Alright, now to figure out how we use this. Now, I've never used an impact driver before, or if I have, then I don't remember. But if I'm not mistaken, how does this lock in?
Is there like a release? So you pull it out.
I think I know how to do it. So you pull that out, push it in.
Ah.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yeah, buddy!
Oh, that was worth it, wasn't it?
That was way worth it. Can you imagine doing that with your hand? What a nightmare.
So we removed the cupboard, but as we started to then take up the floor, we realised that there's actually a layer of sticky residue.
Oh, that's sticky.
And we thought that it might make sense to actually take all of the roof down and the insulation before doing the floor, otherwise when we start pulling things down from the ceiling it's going to just stick everywhere. So we're going to start taking out the lights, the speakers, and then hopefully we can just pull out the ceiling and it'll be as simple as that, but we'll see how we go. Bye. Making progress. Slow, but progress.
Oops. I think we need a new gorilla pod.
And so what we're left with here is the original roof insulation, which we've read quite a lot of reviews on and decided that actually it was going to be worth getting rid of. Some reviews and forums have actually said that it can be combustible, so apart from the fact that we want to change the roof and the ceiling anyway, it just eliminates any type of potential risk, and we're just going to replace it completely with foil board, and we'll take you through a bit later why we decided on foil board for the insulation, because there are lots of options to pick from. So now that the ceiling lights, the speakers and all the joints are out, we're going to take down the ceiling, take out the insulation. One thing to note when we were reading some reviews and some forums was to just wear some long sleeves and long leggings, I mean, James is going to brave it in shorts, but I'm going to make him put a long sleeve top on. Just because obviously the insulation that's in this van has been in here for at least 25 years. It's pretty old, don't really know what's in it, and apparently when it can get on your skin, it can be a bit itchy as well. So we're going to also wear some masks and just some eye protective gear. We've just got these glasses just to protect our eyes, and hopefully that should be enough to protect us.
So the insulation is proven harder than we initially thought, even though we knew it was going to be tough. We're trying to get most of it off with our gloves. Again, that's proving quite difficult. It's basically a time-consuming process. So if you are doing something similar, just make sure you allow enough time.
Oh, never ending.
Get back to it. Job. That was not as easy as I thought it was going to be.
That was so hard to get away. I feel like why has nobody mentioned that?
Cheers. So good. Oh, absolutely knackered. Oh, got something in my eye.
Hopefully not insulation. So we managed to purchase all the tools that we needed, and so far so good. We're not feeling like we missed anything, so no trip back to Bunnings just yet.
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment. We managed to rip out the whole ceiling and the old insulation as well.
We also managed to rip out the air ducts on either side.
So that was a big task, and you did so good on that.
So if you have a Toyota Coaster or plan to buy one and you want to do exactly what we're doing in terms of starting with the ceiling and working your way down, these are the things that we recommend you have. Protective goggles or glasses.
Mask, because you don't know what materials you're dealing with.
Or breathing in. And then gloves.
A standard toolkit, just your basics, and some power tools as well, which we will just put a description below so you can have a read through exactly what we bought.
So if you did find this video helpful, please like it. And if you do like our videos, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We love seeing new subscribers every week and growing this forever amazing YouTube community. So see you later.
Thank you guys. Ready?
Yep. 3, 2.
High five. Oh. And the third thing is to take that partition. Sorry, my things are being taken funny. Do I sound like I'm speaking funny?
And the third thing is to partition. Pot riveted. I don't know. We have an open plan bathroom.
I really opened my bathroom, as in, if anyone uses
Hello.
the toilet, you can see everything.
And any excess water drips out. Oh, I'm knackered. I don't know, is it the right one? I don't know. What do I do?
Have we got to build them all? It's going to take a whole day in itself. Oh, hang on, let me sort my hair out.
Hold on, let me just sort my hair out.
Look like a knob.